Let's see how to check if iPhone 15 Pro is genuine or not. The first method. Now go to Settings. This is your iPhone model number and serial number. The iPhone will have its serial number and model number. Same as iPhone box serial number and model number. Both the serial number and the model number are the same. That means your mobile is genuine. Second method. Copy the serial number. Now check iPhone serial number by iPhone authorized website. Now you can see all your details about your iPhone.